Actually, meron tayong project na downloaded na to the local government because they really wanted to assist NHA in the completion of the project. So meron tayong dalawang project na downloaded na sa kanila, and LGU is tasked to complete, and to NHA is only downloading the money for them to complete the project. That's 2 projects so far. And then all the rest, kasi we implemented 25 projects here in Tacloban, ang ongoing natin is 5. Excluding the 2 which has already been downloaded to the local government.
Itong dalawang projects, sir, saan located ito?
Number 1 is Guadalupe Heights 3 and the Salvacion Heights.
Itong dalawa, sir, mga ilang bahay ito na nandyan na...
I'm not really sure about 300 and 400. Something like 700. I'm not really sure.
So initially, dalawa muna?
Dalawa lang talaga ang dina-download namin sa local government. Because it was a commitment before on the part of the local government that they really wanted to assist the local government, the NHA, in completing the project. And that is a good gesture on the part of the NHA na tinutulungan kami sa local government.